Today we will demonstrate some features of the Climate Litigation Observatory database, one of the 4 databases available within the Lisbon Environmental Law Cluster on the LPL website. To access it, open the cluster page, click on Databases, and the 4 available databases will appear immediately. Today we will look at the Climate Litigation Observatory database. Simply click on it, and the page will open. A general overview of the database will appear. Now, this database is a non-exhaustive collection of climate cases, so from multiple jurisdictions, designed to identify patterns and argumentative trends in decisions, and also to cross-reference those cases across different keywords and jurisdictions. On this landing page, you will also find an explanation of each of the 14 descriptors which were used in this database, and you will be able to use them for your research. So, for example, territory, geographic area, court involved, date of decision, related cases, relevance, or case status. You can check the other ones here. The database offers 3 views. The first is the gallery of suits. This gallery contains summary cards that make exploration easier and simpler. The second view shows status of suits in a more interactive display, where you can identify the cases that are pending, decided, or rejected. And then the most complete view, because it will display all descriptors and you can use them, is the table of suits, where it is possible to filter by any of the available descriptors. Here you will also find the date of the database's most recent update and the recommended citation format. The first view is the gallery of suits, where all cards with their descriptors are shown. The second view displays the status of the cases: decided, pending, and rejected. And the third and last view is the table of suits, which includes all available descriptors. There are 3 ways to filter the information. The first is a free text search. You can use the magnifying glass icon, top right corner, to type any term for a general search. For example, if we type in Europe, all 126 cases in the database that include the word Europe in any descriptor will appear. The second method is sorting. You may order results by any sortable field, for example, by date or by relevance. And you can do it in an ascending or descending order. So, for example, sorting cases by date in a descending order will show the most recent cases first. The third and most important method is filtering, because it allows you to cross-reference information and run targeted searches using multiple descriptors. So to illustrate this, we will perform a targeted search to identify cases in Europe that address future generations and that we classified as of high relevance. To do this, you should select Europe under geographic area, add another filter under keywords, and search for future generations, and then add a third filter for relevance. And select high. So the database returned 11 cases that meet all 3 descriptors. The cross-reference produces a final sample within the specifically desired scope. And that's it. The Lisbon Environmental Law Cluster also welcomes contributions and improvements to enrich all its databases. If you wish not only to contribute but also to obtain exported data from this database, please write to us and indicate the relevant database in the subject line. And partnership proposals and data sharing offers are likewise warmly welcome. So check out the other tutorials for the other databases, and thank you.